My 2003 GMC Sonoma has an issue. These lights, ABS, brake, and service engine soon, are often on continuously. Although the vehicle doesn't have a major issue, it's rather minor. Let's look at that. I still have a check engine light on inside the vehicle, the brake light, and the occasional ABS light. So I bought a new ABS device here, and I'm going to put that new ABS module in replacement of the old one. This new one I purchased from eBay. It's refurbished. It's very important to make sure with the vendor you purchase from that it's compatible with your exact vehicle. Typically there's a sticker number here, or sticker that has a number on it indicating what you need. You need to match the exact part number. In this case my sticker was missing, so I worked with the manufacturer to look at the pinout on my existing ABS module to make sure it was fully compatible, the new one, with my vehicle. So I'll pull this guy off, pop off some screws here, my electrical connector on this side, and replace the old with the new. Before disconnecting your old module, remove your battery terminals. The vehicle no longer has power. With the old module removed, let's put the new one on. Simply connect these 1, 2, 3 wires and reattach with bolts. All wires are reconnected. Let's reconnect our battery terminal and test this thing out. All lights are off now on the dash except for the airbag light. This hasn't happened very often. I hope it's not coincidence. We'll drive this around and see if those lights remain off. Driving around for a few months, the check engine lights did not come back on. The service engine light is illuminated, but that's a different code for a different reason. Ultimately, this fix did work, and I hope this helps you with your project.